Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 chapter number 6 sets exercise 6C question number 1. So, let the universal set be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? It goes till 9. It begins from 1, okay, the value, and it goes till 9. And now it has given us the value of several other subsets, right? What are they? A, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, C equals to 2, 3, 7, D equals to 3, 6 and 9, and E is empty set, right? We have to find what? A, and then you can see a new symbol is made, right? It's like a U, okay? But it is not U, okay? It means something related to that only, right? So basically, we are going to study something new which is called union, right? Union of two sets, right? Two sets, what? A and B, let's say. So what will be in this set? We will combine both the elements of set A and set B, okay? That is what we will do, okay? If A, let's say it is having, let's say 7, 8 and 9, right? And B has got 10, 11 and 12. So if I will write it like this, A union B, this sign a U, okay, sort of a U, it is used to represent the union of sets, okay? So if I write it like this, A union B, then that means I have to make the union of both these sets A and B. So what will I write down? I will write down the elements in A and B both. I will combine them, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? This is the union of the sets A and B. This is how it is done, right? This is just an example, okay? But you should see one thing very careful. Suppose, let's say in place of 10 here, what I will do, I will write down 9, okay? So you have to now create the union of these sets. So for creating the union of these sets, what you should see, you will again begin from 7, then 8. Now you will see 9 is in both the sets. So will you write 9 two times like this? No, this is wrong. Whatever elements are common, they are supposed to be written only once, okay? That is it. So 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. This is how it's done, right? That's the basic thing about union, right? Now see here, and the elements in the union set can be either of set A or set B, okay? It does not matter if it is common or not common, that you don't have to see, okay? Now see, first thing it is asking us is the value of A union B in the first part, okay? What will be the value of A union B? What is given here? See, A is given and B is given. You just have to combine the elements of A and B. See here, first element in A is 1, so I will write down 1. Then it is 2 and 2 here. Now whatever element is common, only one time it should be written. So 2 is coming in A also and 2 is coming in B also, then that means you have to write it down only once, right? No matter how many sets are there and how many times it is coming, repeat or being repeated in the sets, right? How many times it is common, but it has to be repeated and written only once. So 1, then you will have 2 like that, okay? And then you can see 3 is here, 3 is not here, doesn't matter, you just have to keep on writing down. 4 is here, 4 is here, right? Okay. Now look here, you have 2, 2 is already done, 4 is already done, 6 is there and 8 is there, right? Now see the second part, it is asking us the value of B union C, which will be what? Look carefully, B you have 2, 4, 6, 8 and in C you have 2, 3 and 7. Let's begin, right? We will have 2 here, okay? 3 is here, 3 is not here, so you can write it down. Then you can write down 4 also, then you can write down 6. 7 is also here, so 7 and 8, right? Order does not matter once again, but it is preferred you go from smaller to the biggest, right, in ascending order, but it again doesn't matter, okay? Then see here, third part says C union D, which will be what? Let's see. C is this and D is this. You have got 2, 3 and 7 in set C, and in set D you have got 3, 6 and 9. Let's begin, right? So first of all 2, okay? Then 3 is also there, okay? Then 6 is there, which is the next one. So 6, then 7 and then 9, okay? It can be in any order, but I'm writing in ascending order and it is advised also, okay? You do it in ascending order, that will be better. Fourth part, you have D and union of that empty set. Okay, this is indicating it is an empty set. Okay, we must have done this sign, right, like this. Okay, so this is an empty set. So let's make the union. See here, set D, it is 3, 6 and 9. Whatever is there in the empty set, it means it has no elements, right? When it has no elements, you don't have to think about it. Just don't write it down. There's nothing to be written in it, right? When it has no elements. So D union with the empty set will be what? Simply write down set D, 3, 6, 9. Alright, that's it. Okay, then A union D, once again. It is just the same type of question, but the sets are changing, right? A, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. D, you have 3, 6 and 9. Okay, we'll begin. We can take 1, we can take 2, we can take 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 from here. 3 is already here. Sorry, here. And what is next? We can take 4. Okay, then we can take 6. Then we can take 9. All the elements are done, yes or no? Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 6, 9. Whatever is repeated, it is supposed to be written only once, right? I guess we all know that. Now see the sixth part. You have got what? You have B with the union of D. Same thing, right? There's nothing much to think here. Look, you have 2, 4, 6, 8 in set B, and you have got 3, 6, 9 in set D. Okay, so we will begin from 2, the smallest one. Then you have got 3 in the next set, that is D. Then you have got 4 in set B only. Okay, we've got 6 in both the sets, right? Common, so you can write it down once. Then you have 8 here and then 9 here. So 8 and 9. Okay, again I am repeating, the order does not matter. You can write it in any order, right? Then the this part is done, right? Now seventh part is A complement. We have to tell the value of A complement, that means the complement of set A. What is complement? Recall, it is a previous concept, right, which we have done. So if there is a universal set and A is a subset of that universal set, then A complement contains all the elements which are not contained in the subset of its universal set. Okay, you will not understand it, just see it this way. A has 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements it has. B and the universal set which is here, it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 9. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see the universal set has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and set A has only 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever will be not taken in set A, it will be taken in the complement of set A, right? Whatever elements are left out, that will be written here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is already written in set A. Let's begin from 5, right? So you will have 5, you will have 6, you will have 7, you will have 8, you will have 9. From where are all these elements coming? From the universal set. Everything and every value is taken out only from the universal set, be it the subset or the complement, doesn't matter, right? So whatever elements are not there in the subset, they are written in the complement of the set. Okay, now look here, the eighth part, right? What does this say? Value of B complement. So again, whatever elements are not written in set B from the universal set, they will be written here. Okay, let's write down. See here, you will have word B, it has 2, 4, 6, 8. So leaving 2, 4, 6, 8, all the values which are in the universal set, they will be written here. See, 1 is left out, so 1 will be here. 2 is already there, done in this set B, right? So you can't write that. 3 is left out, so write it down, right? 4 is already done in this set, so you can't write it. 5 is left out. 6 is already in the set, skip. Now 7 is left out, so you write that down. 8 is also there in this set B, so you write down 9. And after 9, the universal set ends, so the complement will also come to an end. Okay, so value of B complement is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, now the value of A complement and union B complement, right? It is asking us the value of both the complements combined. Okay, the set which will represent the union of A complement and B complement. Don't worry, just write down and combine all the elements in both the sets, right? Look here. Okay, see, this is the ninth part, right? We have been asked the union of A complement with B complement, which means what? Look, we'll begin from 1, okay? Or you can begin from any number, but I prefer you go with the smallest one. Okay, first we have 1. Now 2 is present in none of the sets, so we will skip it. 3 is in set B, so you will write that down. 4 is also not there. 5 is in both the sets, right? So don't write it down 2 times, just write it down once. So 1, 3, 5, okay, that's it. Then 6 is also present in A complement, so it will come here. Same way 7 is coming in A complement and B complement both, so we will not repeat it, just write it once, okay. Now 8 is also here in A complement, so it will also come, okay, sorry, this is 8. And then 9, again it is in A complement and B complement both, just write it down once, okay. That is the value of 1, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Now see, this is a little different, right? A union B complement. Now this is what it is asking us, right? What is this? You will think, is this and this same? No, it's not, okay. A complement union B complement is different from A union B and then complement of that. Look, we have done in the very first part the value of A union B, yes or no? What it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. This set we have created, yes or no? Yes, this is in the first part. Now you can see this has been written here and it is enclosed in bracket, and on top of it the sign of complement has been made. So this is indicating that we have to find the complement of this set, this A union B set, right? We don't have to find the complement of A, then B, then union them. No, that is wrong. That is for this part. This part is completely different. A union B is a new set, so you write that down, and its complements, whatever elements are not present in A union B, that will come in the complement. A union B value we already have, this set we already have, universal set is also given. Let's write down what the values are not taken in A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, no chance, they are already done. 5 is left out, right? So 5 will come here, yes. 6 is in the set, so we can't write that. Same way 7 is left out, 8 is in the set, 9 is left out. 5, 7 and 9, that's it. Okay, you just have to take A union B as one set, which we have already done it here, and then you have to see the complement of this set, that is 5, 7 and 9. That is the final answer. Alright. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.